Vice President Sara Duterte has formally declared her bid for the presidency in 2028, signaling a major shift in the country's political landscape. Here's the report.
Vice President Sara Duterte has announced her plan to run for president of the Philippines. In her speech, Duterte renewed her criticism of her former Uniteam running mate, President Bongbong Marcos Jr., capitalizing on corruption allegations surrounding his administration. She also asked her supporters for forgiveness for backing Marcos in the previous presidential elections.
It took me 47 years to understand that my life was never meant to be only mine. For a long time, I questioned the weight of responsibility to my family, to my country, to everyone who called on me. Ako si Sara Duterte, tatakbo bilang Pangulo ng Pilipinas.
Meanwhile, Palace Press Officer Claire Castro wished Duterte good luck following the announcement. Castro also criticized Duterte's apology for allegedly helping Marcos win the election.
Tandaan po natin, ang taong bayan ang naghalal kay Pangulong Marcos Jr. Kung ano man po ang natulong niya, pareho naman po sila nagtulungan dahil ito ay Uniteam. Kaya wag niya pong suluhin ang credit kung nanalo man ang Pangulo. At nakikita ngayon ng Pangulo, at rather ng mga kababayan natin, kung sino ba nagtatrabaho. Isang working president compared sa vice-presidente.
Lawmakers have also weighed in on Duterte's 2028 presidential bid. The Makabayan Bloc says it was simply a move by the VP to protect her from a second impeachment.
Siguro tingin niya, matatakot niya, masisindak niya ang mga kongresista dahil patakbo siyang presidente. Pero makikita natin na dahil napakatibay ng batayan sa kanyang impeachment, hindi obra yung kanyang mga gimmick at malalantad muli ang kabulukan sa ginawa niya sa confidential funds.
Over at the upper chamber, Senate President Tito Soto is expecting his colleagues to do their job if Duterte's impeachment goes to trial.
The senators are expected to be impartial always, no matter who is going to be charged or kanino mang articles of impeachment ang sumampa sa amin. We are expected to be impartial. So kahit kandidato, hindi kandidato, kahit sino pa yan, doesn't matter.
Meanwhile, Senator Robin Padilla floated a possible Sara-Amy tandem in 2028.
Ano ako Sara Amy ako
Amy as VP, sir? Yan ang tinutulak niyo? You think, sir, handa ang Pilipino sa parehas na babaeng leader po?
Panahon na para maramdaman ng mga Pinoy ang girl power.
Si Robin talaga. Well, kung sa bagay, talaga naman forever running mate ko naman talaga yan. Takbo, gapang, luhod, patayo, paupo. Hindi ko naman siya kailanman iniwanan.
With VP Sara's presidential run now in play, the focus now shifts to the traditional opposition. Who will be their candidate come 2028? Senate Deputy Majority Leader Risa Hontiveros, who is among those seeking for a united opposition, had this reply.
Nandun kami sa proseso ng pagtatakda ng aming sariling timeline. So yung free will na binanggit ko kanina ay ginagamit na rin po namin sa sarili namin.
So, it remains that you will announce by end of the year or first quarter of 2027. Tama po ba?
Yun yung task that we have set ourselves.